So YouTube is not recommending your videos because some of these YouTube settings that you're supposed to turn on your YouTube channel is turned off. YouTube is not recommending your videos because some of these YouTube settings that you're supposed to turn on your YouTube channel is turned off. And if it is turned off, YouTube may not be able to recommend your videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to simply edit your video with the app called INSHOT. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store, whether Google Play or Apple Play, and type in INSHOT. And then when you do that, click on search and it is going to bring up the app for you. If you already have it in your phone, it might be showing updates, which means you need to update the app. If you don't already have it, it's going to show install. What you have to do is go ahead and click on any of the thing that is going to be showing up there, whether install or update, right? And it's going to load. Once it gets to 100%, then it's going to say open. Right, when it gets to the 100%, it is going to say open, and then you go ahead and click on open. I'm just going to wait a bit. Yeah, this is it saying open. I'm going to click on it and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to click on video so that I can actually take the video that I want to edit, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the video that I want to edit, and then also go ahead and show you some of the things that you can actually do with this app, because there are a lot of things that you can do with this app. First, I'm going to remove the watermark, the INSHOT watermark. I'm just going to click on the time sign on it and then click on free remove. You can also remove this permanently, but you have to pay for it, right? Now, once that is done, I am going to show you other features on this app that you can actually use, to edit your video. Now, you can see that this video is looking very dark. It is not sharp and the sound is not even coming out. First, I'm going to increase the volume. I'll click on the volume sign and then increase it to 200%. I'll also go ahead and denoise it, which means removing the noise in the background. And then I'll go ahead and add some brightness to this. I'll click on filter, I'll click on adjust, and I'll click on brightness, right? And then I'll go ahead and increase the brightness. Now, if you see the difference between what it used to be and what it is now, you already know that this is very, very effective. I'll go ahead and click on sharpen and then go ahead and increase it just so that my video is sharp and it is not looking blur. That is one thing I love about this app, right? I'll also go ahead and click on contrast just to adjust the color grade and make sure that it is not looking too much of artificial, right? I'll just go ahead and click on it and then adjust it to my preference. There are a lot of things you can do with this app. Just go ahead and play with some of the tools. I'm also going to show you another very amazing tool that I love about this app. Just sit back and enjoy it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like content around how to grow on YouTube and some of the apps that you can actually use to make life easy as a content creator here on YouTube. Do not forget to like this video, you guys. Let's continue. So now you can actually put your videos in different size or format depending on the app that you want to upload your video into, whether Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. There are different Canva that you can use, right? So these are the Canva. You just have to pick. Now you can see that anytime I change it to different kind of Canva is going to show in the video, right? I'm going to just go ahead and pick on that concerns YouTube, because I'm going to be uploading this video on YouTube, and then I'm going to increase it or decrease it depending on what I want. If I want the video to really zoom in, I'm going to increase it. If I don't really want it to zoom in, I would reduce it, right? There are lots of fantastic things that you can do with this app. Once I'm done with what I love, I'll just click on the tick sign there. And then go ahead and continue with the editing. Now for this one, I'll go ahead and click on filter, and then I'll go ahead and click on the star right there, and then this is another type of edits, and this gives you a lot of function for your video right here. Now you can go ahead and check out all of the things that this is going to give. Now you can actually do black and white. You can actually do other kind of color grading for your video through that particular method that I just opened for you, right? You can also cut and add videos, right? You can also add videos
from other videos that you have actually recorded and add it to this one, right? You can actually using that plus sign at the side of it. And this is another beautiful one, how you want your video to appear. I'm just going to click on animation, and then it's going to show all of this type of appearance, right? I'm just going to choose the one I love and then adjust it, right? And this is what we have here. See how beautiful it is appearing. Now you are going to see this at the finished look. In fact, I'm sure you've already seen it before watching this part of the video, because of course that is what I used in the beginning of this video, and you can see how beautiful it is. You can see that this video is already coming to life. You can see it has been brightened. You can see that the video is now sharp. You can see that the video now has a lot of attractiveness, right, to it. Now this is just them telling me to upgrade. I can actually add, captions. Whatever I'm saying can actually be displaying on the screen, but because I am not in the pro version of this app, I cannot really do this. You can actually do this in the pro version if you are using the pro version of this app and you want to go ahead and pay for it. Now anything you are going to be saying is going to just translate and be adding the caption on the screen, right? You can actually cut out the background and add other background to your video while you are using this app. You can just go ahead and do what I did right now, right? Using this app, go ahead and cut out the background and then go ahead and click on cut out. Is going to start loading, but me, I don't want to cut it out. I want to leave my background the way it is, so I'll just go ahead and click on stop and then continue showing you some of the features on this app that are actually very, very beautiful for you to use in your editing. And one thing I love about this app is that they don't really charge you. Even while you are using the free version of this app, you are going to get a lot of features to use, right? You can cut the clips, you can take out the part that is not good for you, right? Especially when you film, as a content creator, when you are filming, you are going to make a lot of mistakes, you are going to ramble a lot. You can actually cut and remove, just like what I am doing now. Just go to the part that says cut in all of the features, just select the one that says cut. When you get to the part of the video that you don't want to see, you can actually just click on it. It's going to cut it and then you delete it with the deleting feature that is by the side. There are a lot of beautiful things that you can do with this app, and see how my video has turned out, you guys. If you are going to be trying this app, let me know in the comment section. If you have a question about using this app or any other app in terms of editing your videos as a content creator here on YouTube, also let me know. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this one. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to learn a lot of things about growing here on YouTube and how to actually navigate getting paid on YouTube and making good money, or making your life easy generally as a content creator. So once you are done editing your video, you just want to click on exports, right? And then click on the highest version. It is going to export your video. It is just going to be converting the video and then it will be counting, right? So once it gets to 100, you are done and your video is ready. I'm going to show you. Definitely is going to save straight up into your gallery, your phone gallery. Now this is what the video used to be, and this is what the video is now. Are you going to be trying this? Did you love this app? Do you think this app is beautiful? For me, I feel it's easy and it's something that a lot of new YouTubers should check out, especially if you are new here. Thank you.